In today's society, it is crucial for corporations to establish their brand image and distinguish themselves from rivals. The power of design allows for further convenience and novel, superior form. We at ASB combine our wealth of experience and untiring efforts in technological development in order to design the needs of our clients. PET containers are used everywhere in our daily lives. While simple containers are normally mass-produced, there is also huge demand for customized designs of high-value containers, catering to a wide range of niche industries, including medical, pharmaceutical, and cosmetics. As pioneers in our field, we quickly came to develop, manufacture, and market PET container molding machines on a global scale. We provide total engineering and system solutions that offer full support for our clients' container manufacturing businesses. Our history dates back to 1978, and we have always faced head-on the challenges confronting our clients. We strive to generate affluence for people and society, and maintain indefinite company growth by providing high-level technologies and services. The material, polyethylene terephthalate, also known as PET, is composed of just carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen, making it an eco-friendly material that can be completely recycled into polyester films, fibers, or even back into bottles for complete sustainability and elimination of pollution. PET containers can be molded by one of two basic processes. ASB's OneStep series of machines mold preforms from PET resin and shapes the containers using high-pressure air, all in one machine. These machines are well suited for production of a wide variety of added-value containers, as they can support many designs and molding resins. Our products lead the global OneStep machine market, both in share and in development of new techniques. Our TwoStep machines conduct the molding processes in different machines. This process can be suited for mass production of simple containers, or can be tailored to specialized container molding. Over the course of many years, we have offered these two molding techniques that satisfy client requests. Working with this experience, ASB developed our unique 1.5-step process that combines the advantages of the OneStep and TwoStep molding methods. Our most recent model utilizing the 1.5-step process is a next-generation molding machine that requires less space than a two-step machine and comes with improved production rates and molding versatility. We also design and manufacture the injection and blow molds crucial for container production, and special products such as hot fillable PET containers for pasteurization. We at ASB utilize our unique ideas in order to offer original, revolutionary concepts in the forefront of our field. Quick to embark on global development, during more than 30 years we have supplied over 9,000 molding machines and 18,000 mold sets to over 120 countries. We strategically use our global marketing network to conduct business without borders. Owing to the trust we have gained from past businesses, we have acquired many repeat clients. We are working with staff members from around the world to meet various demands and establish a stronger sales network. Aside from our production base in Japan, we have also established a large plant in India. Our goal is not simply to lower production costs, but to build a solid international production base. The team in India is taking on the task to expand our market by leveraging its global network. Setting our sights on the rapidly developing areas of South and Central America and Africa, we are striving for continued and strategic business expansion across the world. And in Japan, leading to improved production capacity and efficiency. We are working toward our goals of stable supply and quick delivery for our clients. Our advanced technology provides world-class quality, quickly and affordably. Our field is spreading across the globe. The backbone of ASB is our craftsmanship and know-how gained from years of experience, allowing us to offer our one-stop service for bottle production operation, including system optimization, machine designing technique, and full support. To meet the demand for high-quality containers, we handle everything from design and mold planning to production. We have established a reliable production system that effectively combines various bottle production machinery. Our machines with high basic performance and our advanced machine designing technology that accounts for the entire system make possible a stable production setup. We have a thorough product checking system to deliver what the client wants and provide full support by dispatching our engineers. In order to establish a solid relationship with clients, we provide quick after-sales service, production technology, and detailed factory expertise. By offering a comprehensive one-stop solution for container manufacturing that satisfies customer needs, we have established ourselves as a trustworthy partner. ASB has continued to spearhead the industry. We have kept true to client needs and supplied high-quality products. Creating a strong relationship with our clients by offering first-rate technology, high production capacity, and attentive service has been a top priority for ASB. We will continue to innovate, utilizing our vast experience acquired through our achievements, and keep creativity and the challenging spirit in our hearts.